So this is the daily chart on Freeport-McMoRan, and as you can see, price did drop, but close off the lows. Now this drop was due to the company announcing earnings. Q4 profits beat estimates, but revenue was short estimates, and as a result, you had price dive before again moving higher, finding buyers, local buyers, at this $37 level. Now, if I scroll out to the monthly chart, I was anticipating a bounce because price was respecting this uptrend that had its origins of the move higher, going back to the pandemic lows in March of 2020. However, in December, price closed below, which opened the door for prices to move lower. Now, staying on the monthly chart, you do have some levels of interest. You have a monthly buy level. However, the better level is going to be down here. Why? Well, that was the origin of the move higher, in which price took out highs from established back in April of 2022. And so if we label that as monthly buy levels, then you would think that price is going to bounce higher, but time will only tell. Before we go down to the weekly and the daily chart, let's actually look in the news at the results. So Freeport on Thursday reported better than expected quarterly profit, but revenue fell short of Wall Street estimates due to softer pricing. Freeport-McMoRan posted earnings per share of 31 cents for the quarter, beating analyst expectations by 6 cents, though revenue came in $5.27 billion compared to the estimates of $6.01 billion. Now, the company said they entered 2025 with a clear focus on continued strong execution of their operating plans, enhancing productivity, managing costs and capital, and advancing opportunities for long-term profitable growth and value creation. All right, now getting back to the charts, we're going to zoom down to the weekly chart. And as you can see, price is making lower lows and lower highs. Now looking at the weekly chart, you have this rally, you have a basing candle, and then a rally out. However, that level is not fresh. What do I mean by not fresh? Well, price already revisited that zone, and in the process filled some of the unfilled buy orders. Right, you had a dip in price in December of 2023, had another dip in February of 2024, and a slight dip back at the top of that zone. The fact that price penetrated the zone more than 50% lowers the probability of the zone holding up a 1, 2, 3, fourth time, but it actually did. This is this week's candle. Price came back to that zone and reacted. So this zone is pretty strong, resilient, and the buyers want to continue to protect that level, despite the macro price action breaking this longer term monthly uptrend line. All right, going down to the daily chart. Did have a little level of interest. Sellers. But again, very risky. What are you doing? You're selling daily in the daily zone. How far do you expect it to go going up against weekly buyers and monthly buyers? All right, so here's the play. Yes, price broke this uptrend line, but the chart is suggesting one can get long within this monthly buy level, targeting the bottom of this trend line, which should now serve as dynamic resistance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.